everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna learn another word. And do you know what that word's called? It's called banter. Do you know the word banter? It's totally okay if you don't know, because we are gonna soon learn about it. Are you ready? Let's go. What we will discover today: banter. Step into the world of laughter as we explore the delightful word banter through a light-hearted story. Join us in discovering the warmth and playfulness inherent in the art of banter. Our word, banter. Banter is like a playful dance of words between friends, filled with humor and good-natured teasing. In our story, it's about the joy of playful conversation that brings people closer together. To engage in banter is to exchange witty remarks and jokes in a friendly and relaxed manner. It's not about being serious. Instead, it's about sharing laughter and building bonds through light-hearted interaction. Here's the illustration. Imagine a group of friends sitting around a table, sharing jokes and teasing each other affectionately. Their banter is like a lively game, where each comment adds to the fun and laughter, creating a joyful atmosphere of friendship. Let's take a deep dive with our story. A joyful exchange, a tale of friendly banter. In the bustling town of Merrymed, a group of friends gathered at their favorite cafe for their weekly meetup. As they sipped their drinks and exchanged stories, the air filled with the sound of laughter and banter. Tom, known for his quick wit, teased Sarah about her love for coffee, which Emily playfully poked fun at James' quirky dance moves. Each remark was met with good-natured laughter, adding to the joyful atmosphere of their gathering. Their banter flowed effortlessly, weaving a flow of jokes and playful exchanges that strengthened their friendship bonds. Through laughter and light-hearted teasing, they found joy in each other's company, cherishing the simple moments of connection. Our conclusion. In this tale, banter emerges as a source of joy and friendship, illustrating how playful conversation can bring people closer together. This story introduces the word's essence, highlighting the warmth and laughter inherent in friendly banter. These are some sentences we made using banter. A family gathering. At the family reunion, the cousins engaged in light-hearted banter as they reminisced about old memories and teased each other about who had grown the most. The fans filled the stadium with banter as they cheered for their favorite team and good-naturedly teased the opposing supporters. An office break room. In the office break room, colleagues exchanged banter over their morning coffee, discussing everything from weekend plans to the latest office gossip. A playground. On the playground, children engaged in playful banter as they negotiated the rules of their games and joked with each other between swings and slides. A camping trip. Around the campfire, friends shared banter as they roasted marshmallows and told stories, creating a warm and welcoming atmosphere in the wilderness. Thank you for watching. Mention any new word if you want to learn about it in the comment section. Subscribe for more facts. See you later. Bye bye.